As humans, we always try to evaluate future event or action. And what do we evaluate? The pros and cons. And hence, our action is determined. But in a general sense, we are tuned in to think in a way that our focus goes on the negative stuffs first, and result being we put our energies on preparing for things which might happen or cause damage to us rather than focusing on the all the positive side which we already have. So how one can think only positive when when it comes to doing certain things. It's all about their individual's attitude. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Meera. Namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So as I've already mentioned, attitude is really important. So how can one develop and understand the power of attitude? And here is the answer. This book, Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller, is an amazing read which will not only help you understand the value and importance of attitude but also take you to a journey of positivity and right positive attitude. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So, before I share with you about the book, let me share with you the man behind this book and the story this book is based upon. Mr. Jeff Keller or Geoffrey Keller. He is a speaker, a seminar leader, and writer in the area of motivation and human upliftment. And he is a renowned presenter who has presented his skills in businesses, associations, and educational institutions. He was also a law practitioner for more than 10 years before he started pursuing his career as a writer and a motivational speaker. Geoffrey Keller is also the chairman or the CEO of Attitude is Everything. So this is pretty much about the author, guys. Let's deep dive into the book and see what this book has in store for us, and also how we can take inspiration and learning from this amazing author. His story has been depicted in this book is crazy. So let's deep dive now. Attitude is Everything is the journey of the man himself, Jeff Keller, like of becoming a motivational speaker. Being a law practitioner, he was doing amazing in his life. But there is some feeling when even for us, like if we're doing something, we're doing a job and we are doing something, business or something, there is something missing. In the same way, something was missing in his life. So he decided to make a gradual transition of becoming a motivational orator in 1992 as a full time. Like this book has been divided into three sections. Success begins in the mind. Number two, watch your words. Number three, heaven will support you if you commit. The foremost and the biggest objective of this book is to make you believe that you can achieve anything you desire and you want in your life. Positive thinking and uh, visualization can work things out in your favor and attract miracles. But if you keep on dwelling and thinking about the negative stuff, then it will definitely soak up the great stuff which might be there in store for you guys. So this book shares completely very stagnant and bold and blatantly says that it's us who decide our boundaries. Because you only think the universe is so big and it has so much to offer. Like you can also have the whole universe at your doorstep. But it's our mental blockages which we create, the mental boundaries which we create. And that happened because of the society we're part of. So it's really important to believe that you can also be successful. You can make a huge impact in this world. Otherwise, everybody is living a ordinary life. I believe one thing that if I can do this, then anybody can do this. And what's that? Like, it has been a great transition for me because there are a lot of challenges because the journey I am in, entrepreneurship or being a consciouspreneur, is not that easy. But the place I am in, I can't say that I am in a very good space, but sorry, not good. I can't say that I am in a very good place right now, but I am in a decent place where I believe I'm so happy I've came a long way because I can see my transformation, my journey. And that has happened because of the constant push of the tribe I was surrounded with. And I had a great mentor, Master Sri Akarshana, who kept on pushing me. Every single time I was thinking of giving up, I just listened to him and kept going, moving forward. So here is a catch, guys. Surround yourself with people who are on the same path as you are, who think like you. There is nothing harm in choosing the right people because it's your life. And have a positive thinking. No matter how small your business is or no matter where you are right now, I know it takes courage to leave your current job and current salary because that's how you pay your bills. But if you have that courage to take that leap of faith, the universe will come to your rescue and give you something which will be beyond your imagination because it does favor the courageous people. You should take that leap of faith. You should take that leap of faith. Have a positive impact in your life, no matter whatever is happening. Like currently, even I am working on a venture right now, and I need positive environment. I need positivity in my mind. So, like other when I thought of doing this, negative stuff were coming up, but I focus completely on positive stuff. But still, this the place, the environment, the society is very funny. They give you some challenges out of love to make sure that I am growing. I hope you know what I mean about this. So this book has really made me feel so ecstatic and amazing that no matter how small step I take, no matter how small step I take, as long as I'm positive and concrete and I have a belief system that I will succeed, it will happen no matter how sooner or later it happens. It will happen because I know my intent. I know I will be successful. I know I'm surrounded with the right people. I know that every step I take, either I'm learning from them or I'm growing from them. Because success is something is built on failures and you have to go through it. Even I am going through it. Let's start a journey. Let's hold ourselves accountable and make sure that we are growing every single day. So yeah guys, this is pretty much about the video today and I hope you enjoyed it and thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. If you guys feel I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. And also, you guys might be wondering from where you guys can grab yourself a paperback then. I will put the link in the description box from where you can buy and also support my channel. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.